Hello viewers, welcome you all to the Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see a admission notification. Here the university is Central University of Jammu. So it is offering integrated BSc MSc courses in botany, zoology, chemistry, physics, as well as you can see that it is 45 seats each. So you can see that Bachelor of Vocational in Retail Management. So it is number of 30 seats, and then Bachelor of Vocation Banking and Finance Service, it is 30 seats. You can see that integrated BA B.Ed. So it is 45 seats, and then Diploma in Beauty and Wellness. So it is 30 seats. Diploma in Retail Management, it is 30 seats. Indian Scripts, Brahmi and Shraddha, it is 25. Diploma in Yoga, it is 30 seats. Shai Shaivism, it is 25 seats. You can see that certificate course in Indian Mystical Thoughts, 25 seats. Certificate course in Beauty and Wellness, it is 30 seats. You can see that PG in MSc, so it is Material Science and Technology, 35 seats. MTech Computer Science and Technology, 40 seats. MSc Environmental Sciences, 50 seats. MA or MSc Mathematics, 50 seats. MBA Tourism and Travel Management, it is 50 seats. You can see that the MBA Human Resource Management, it is 45 seats. Marketing Management, it is 45 seats. MA in English, 45 seats. Public Policy and Public Administration, it is 50 seats. Social Work, it is 50 seats. So Mass Communication and New Media, National Security Studies, and then Master of Education, Hindi, Economics. So these all have 50 seats respectively. So MBA, it has 22 seats. MA in Yoga, 35 seats. Computer Science and Information Technology. So here it is a PhD course. It is having 5 seats, and then Education 5 seats, Mathematics 3 seats, and then Environmental Sciences 7 seats. You can see that PhD in Communication and New Media, it is 3 seats. Social Work, it is 2 seats. PhD in Human Resource Management, it is 5 seats, and then you can see that Business Administration, it is 5 seats. So Material Science and Technology, it is also 5 seats. Physics 2 seats. Chemistry 6 seats, and then Zoology, it is 2 seats. Botany 1 seat. Biotechnology 6 seats. You can see that the PhD in Comparative Religion and Civilization, so it is 3 seats. Hindi as well as Marketing Management, it is 8 seats. So the National Security Studies, it's 3 seats. So PhD in English, 3 seats. Public Policy and Public Administration, it is 4 seats. So here comes the Economics. So Economics is having 2 seats. So for this all the PhD courses, it is only master degree is enough, and if you are having MPhil, that is more added. If you are having UGC NET for a lectureship, assistant professor, or else the UGC NET JRF, you need not to write this UCET exam, but you have to apply through the online. So you can directly attend the interview. If you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. Thank you.